English, Year 2, the Malaya Presson, Unit 1, Sounds. Listen and sing.
Oink there, old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O.
Baba here and Baba there. Để tao gà con gà con có dầu con có dầu đeo
Artwork, page 3. Listen and draw. 1. Paint a sea in blue, India blue, baby blue and dark blue. 2. Draw octopus. 3. Color the octopus. 4. Use paint to color it. 5. Use yellow and white with an eyes. 6. Draw a corals at the sea, and I down an octopus yourself. Listen and write. Page 4. The teacher is a cow, T-O-Y, cow. The octopus at the sea, O-C-to-O-P-O is octopus. The snake at the jungle, Z-N-A-T-E, snake. Unit 2, Mathematics. Page 5. Listen and read. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Listen and read and write. Page 6. 1. Angela is in 6th place 2. Max is in 8th place 3. Abe is in 5th place 4. Dave is in 1st place 5. Peter is in 7th place 6. Sarah is in 4th place 7. Greg is in 2nd place 8. Anna is in 3rd place. Listen and sing. Unit 3, My Year Through Week. Page 8. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Listen and chant and write. Page 9. 1. Mingas wake up at Mondays and Fridays. 2. Mingas having a nap at Mondays and Thursdays. 3. Ming never go to Tuesday at week. 4. Mingas lunch with mom at Mondays and Wednesdays. 5. Ming is dinner with mom at Fridays. 6. Ming at going to sleep every day. How to make a scrapbook. Page 10. Note. Do not use sharp objects. 1. Use clip hole into the paper. 2. Use plastic tail and pull down the scrapbook. 3. Use tape and stick on your plastic tail. 4. Tag dat scrapbook is done. Listen and sing.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Alpha bubble is jumping. Alpha bubble is jumping. Alpha bubble is jumping up and down. Alpha bubble is jumping up and down. Alpha bubble is jumping up and down. Alpha bubble is jumping up and down.
Unit 4, Safety at the Places. Page 14. Liston and read a story. Inside the car, Bingo grabs a toy with Bing Me. He shouts, lips pressed tight. It's mine. No, I had it first. Bing Me pulls back, frowning. Liston and read about the rules on the house. Listen to egg into the box. Then match about the pictures. Page 15. Safety at home. Stay safe at home by following these easy rules. Social studies. 1. You shouldn't play with knives. 2. You shouldn't touch cleaning products. 3. You shouldn't play with matches. 4. You shouldn't touch the oven when it's hot. 5. You shouldn't run up and down the stairs. 6. You shouldn't jump on your bed. 7. You shouldn't play with sockets. Always safety at the new home. Unit 5. Things that different home. Liston and read bungalow, cabin, castle, chalk, colonial, container house, cottage, farmhouse, igloo, lighthouse, haunted house, mansion, mobile home, skyscraper, tent, tour, tree house, villa, palace. Page 17. Liston and sing.
A splash of colors, a burst of light. Every question found its light. With wings to the tallest tree. You've learned it all, you've seen it through. A puzzle solved, a world brand new. Round and round the lessons flew. The sun had winked, the moon it spun. Counting stars was so much fun. From A to Z and 1 to 10. You've learned it all, you've seen it through. A puzzle solved, a world brand new. Round and round the lessons flew. Clap your hands now, wave goodbye. The learning train is flying high. Tick tock, tick, the clock says go, but don't forget the things you know. You've learned it all, you've seen it through. A puzzle solved, a world brand new. Round and round the lessons flew.
Unit 6 Adjectives. Liston and read. Page 18. Fabulous adjectives: appearance, positive, personality, personality, negative, size, attractive, agreeable, angry, big, bald, ambitious, bewildered, colossal, beautiful, brave, clumsy, fat, chubby, calm, defeated, gigantic, clean, delightful, embarrassed, great, dazzling, eager, fierce, huge, drab, faithful, grumpy, immense, elegant, gentle, helpless, large, fancy, happy, itchy, mammoth, thick, little, flat, by, kind, jolly, jealous, massive, glamorous, lively, lazy, microscopic, gorgeous, nice, nervous, mysterious, miniature, handsome, obedient, obnoxious, petite, magnificent, polite, panicky, puny, a muscular, proud, pitiful, scrawny, plain, silly, repulsive, short, plump, thankful, scary, small, scruffy, victorious, thoughtless, tall, shapely, witty, uptight, teeny, skinny, wonderful, worried, stoppy, tenny, unkempt, zealous, unsightly. Liston and read. Big, small, laugh, cry, open, close, awake, asleep, tall, short, light, dark, quiet, loud, young, old, hot, cold, clean, dirty, sweet, sour, fast, slow, empty, full, up, down, front, back, right, wrong, yes, yes, no, old, new, good, bad, in, out, happy, sad, sink, float, left, right, on, off, day, night, over, under, soft, hard, east, west. Unit 7. I love school. Page 20. How often at P.E. At Tuesday. Page 21. Result. 1. Use flip a clip, click the report, Paul Bigwig passed. 2. Sogin's academic performance has the highest score in a subject. Unit 8. What time is it? Page 23. What does Tyler's day? Liston and read a bedtime story. 1. At 7 a.m. Tyler woke up early, in the morning 2. At 12 p.m. Tyler leaves school, in the noon 3. At 3 p.m. Tyler doing his homework, in the afternoon 4. At 9 p.m. Tyler eating his dinner, in the evening 5. At 1 am, tired going to bed early in the night. Listen and read a dialogue. Page 23. Everywhere is Yang life.
1 month ago, Snowy watching cartoons from television set.
This flight is nice. Hey, rain clouds. Negative. I need to close the window. Thief.
How fucking dare you?
Oh no, I calling your police now. Page 24. Read a dialogue. English teacher. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, madam. English teacher. Her. Where is Abel? Abel. I hear madam. English teacher. Oh, here is a new student, English teacher. His name is Abel. Snowy. Whoa. Tyler. Thank you. Tyler. Sit you place Abel. Thanks, English teacher. Oh, put then out your test books. Episode 6. You learning about your adjectives. English teacher. Oh, you learning adjectives? I have to 1 cup of coffee and students have a question. Snowy, the teacher coming. Tyler. Yeah, Tyler. Up English teacher. Let's again. Ingrops said. Unit 9. I love my family. Listen and chant. This is your mom. This is your mom. This is your sister. This is your brother. This is your 2 grandpas. This is your 2 grandmiss. Listen and sing. Page 26.
Red finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Red finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Red finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Red finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Red finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do?
Unit 10. Town. Page 27. Listen and read the on the earth on city and match. Listen and read the address. Write I for yes and N for no. 1.
Hi, my name is Sammy. I am living Lorong Tambun Ina 5. I went to Yellow House.
Yes, Sammy in a yellow house. 2. Hi, my name is Minnie. I live in Lorong Tambun Ina 5. I live my pink house. Yes, Minnie live at pink house. 3. Hi, I did have people at Spontusian. I am kidding. No, Spontusian is no people at whole world. 4. This is my ocean has boats. No, ocean Hindy has no boats on the sea.